Link my old Sunday Riley boxes down below. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're unboxing this big box that you can't open with sharp objects and all that fun stuff. This is the newest Sunday Riley box. I'm pretty sure this is the fall one, right? It came in like this big cardboard box, and then inside the box is the actual box, but one of the items it looks like was too big to go into the real box, so it's here in this box and the whole thing just comes together. So in case you are not aware, Sunday Riley is a quarterly lifestyle subscription box curated by the editors of the blog The Sunday Edit. So they have great beauty and lifestyle items by popular brands, and they always include a few Sunday Riley products. This box ships every 2 to 3 months. The shipping schedule for this one is like a little bit off, but it's $95 a box, or you can save 10% and subscribe to get it for $85.50 a quarter. So it is kind of pricey, but in my personal opinion, and I've like cut out a lot of subscription boxes lately, and my personal opinion is totally worth it because they do send Sunday Riley products and they do send really nice products when they aren't Sunday Riley products. And look at the box. Is that not so stinking cute? So today we're gonna unbox this. I don't know, I think that this is like a sleep themed box, but this is what it looks like when you open it up, and it does say the sleep edition, so I was right. I have seen like a couple of spoilers, but I've tried not to pay like a whole lot of attention. So it comes with like this huge booklet, and they had something like this before, and then it also comes with the little information guide, and I love the print of all of this. It's so cute. So this has all of the information in it, and this booklet is the Sunday Edit Sleep Edition, so they do like their own like little mini magazine. The last one that they sent out was for I think like the travel box, and that one was actually really interesting, and there's always like a ton of really good information in this, so I really enjoy it. I'm not a huge fan of the fact that this is part of like the subscription box, like this has a value in the subscription box, but no harm, no foul. I will link all of this stuff down below, and I will link like the box and everything and all the information down below as always, but we're gonna jump into the rest of this review because I already kind of started it. But yeah, so it always comes with this like little mini magazine. It's got information. It's got a bunch of like yes, no questions. Oh, there's coloring pages. It has like little spots, little journal spots. It really is like well put together, and it's like well made and sturdy. It's not like a regular magazine. I just feel like that's kind of cheapening the box, but all in all, it's not a huge deal. So I'm gonna set the information pamphlet to the side, and we're going to come back to that, and we are going to just get right into this. I don't know how well my lighting is. I feel like it's so dark. Okay, we are going to start, holy hell, that's heavy. We're gonna start with the product that's not in the box, and it is this. This says Luna on it. I'm pretty sure that this is a weighted blanket. It totally is. Okay, so this was the one spoiler I saw, and I've been wanting a weighted blanket for so long, and they're so pricey. And I was debating canceling this box, but when I saw that this was one of the spoilers, I had to keep it. So this is the Luna blanket. It's got washing instructions. There's a coupon code, kind of. How to use it. A how to use guide for a blanket, okay. And this is what the blanket looks like. It's just plain and gray, which I really like though, because it'll go with a lot of my bedding sets. It'll go with my couch. It'll look really cute. But it's very large and it's really heavy. I'm really excited to use this though. I've always wanted a weighted blanket. I do have anxiety. I've heard that this is like so good for that, and I've been wanting to try one for so long, but they're so freaking expensive. So I'm really happy to have that. That'll be great. And now we're gonna bust into the rest of the box. This is what it looks like. I'm going to go with some of these Sunday Riley items first. So this is a little like zip top pouch, and in here we have a little travel size of the autocorrect brightening and depuffing eye contour cream, and then a little travel size of the Good Genes glycolic acid treatment. I do have both of these already actually. The Good Genes is amazing. It's like everything Sunday Riley is super pricey, but it's so good. So I love getting it in boxes and stuff because I love it, but I don't like paying the price for it. And then the autocorrect brightening and depuffing eye contour cream. I know I have this, and I can't remember where I got it. I can't remember if it was this box or like a different box or something. I don't think I've used it yet though. So either way, I love Sunday Riley. It's so good. Those are like really teeny tiny travel sizes though. Those will be really great for travel. Not like the greatest value, I guess. The next product is the Slumber Party Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. This is a Sunday Riley product as well. I actually really like pillow sprays. Look at how cute that is. I love pillow mists though. It's like the whole aromatherapy type stuff I freaking love, and I definitely think that it does help. So I normally use a pillow mist most nights. Some nights I'll skip it if like I'm already exhausted, but most nights I use one and it helps so much in just helping like lull me to sleep. That one smells so good. It's just so like light and relaxing and refreshing. So this has lemon verbena, petite grain, neroli, and vetiver. So this is different than the ones that I normally use. Right now I'm using the This Works Pillow Talk or something like that spray. I'll try to find it, link it down below. I really like that one. I actually got that one at FabFitFun and I'm debating repurchasing it, but I'm so excited to have this one now as a backup, and I might start purchasing the Sunday Riley one. Probably not because I hate spending money like that, but it's so nice. Okay, and then we have a full-size Luna Sleeping Night Oil. This is the next generation retinoid oil, reduces the appearance of pores and wrinkles while fighting the signs of premature aging and surface redness. This does have retinol in it. I can finally use retinol again. I'm so excited. And their packaging just makes everything feel so luxe. So I've tried Luna, I think. Luna sounds really familiar to me, so I feel like I've tried that before. Ooh, hello. Oh, it's like dark blue. Like this green shade. Oh. Okay, that feels really nice. Like it's definitely on the like thicker, oilier side. It feels really nice though. What does that smell? German chamomile essential oils. Okay. It's a good scent. Like if you don't like fragrance, you might not like it, but it is a good, like it doesn't smell bad. And some of Sunday Riley products do not smell very good, but it feels so nice on the skin. Like it almost feels like a resurfacing product. And I don't use a lot of retinol, so I don't know a whole lot about retinol because for the last 5 years I haven't been able to use any, but I'm really excited to try this out now that I can finally use it. And this looks like such a nice product. I love sleeping. Okay, the next product in here, I think that that's it for like the Sunday Riley products. The next product in here is by a brand called Sakahuan. I'm pretty sure I have used this brand before. It's a really nice brand. This is the Overnight Hair Repair, which is a gel product based on pure water. It gives you care for your hair while you sleep. It's designed to build the elasticity and to strengthen the hair as well as give it fabulous shine. Okay, so first of all, this packaging, I live for packaging like this. It is so like just beautiful and stunning. Okay, so it says to clean the hair with a suitable product from Sakahuan. That's marketing. Apply in the evening starting at the links and leave in for the entire night. This product is fat-free and will not stain regular bed linen, but does not have to be rinsed out in the morning. In the morning, style as usual or rinse and style as desired. It all depends on the hair feeling you want. Okay, wow. So that's interesting to me that it doesn't have to be rinsed out. So this is basically almost like a sleeping mask, like for your hair, which I love that. And I really like hair masks. I tend to go through them really quickly because my hair is so long, so I'm kind of concerned about how long this teensy tiny, this is 100 ml, which is 3.4 fluid ounces. I'm kind of concerned about how long this will last me, but I'm really excited to try it out because that just looks so luxurious. Okay, the next product in here, this is from Slip, and this is the Pure Silk Sleep Mask. I have heard so many things about this. Seriously, I'm so excited. So this is a specially commissioned and made to our exacting standards, developed and refined over 10 years to provide the ultimate combination of shine, thickness, softness, and durability. We use the highest grade of long fiber mulberry silk with a thickness of 22 mom and enforce the strictest quality guidelines, including non-toxic dyes. Wow. Oh my god. Like just look at that presentation. Okay, so I do like eye masks. we tend to like leave our TV on and all that stuff that's really bad for your sleep, and we've got like little night lights in our room if the kids have to come to our room. And a lot of that stuff does keep me awake. Like I just have a really hard time sleeping in general. So I typically do wear eye masks, and I'm so excited for this. I do try, like, sometimes I use the silk pillowcases, and I can always tell a difference when I do. So I definitely think there is something to be said for that. This just looks so pretty, and it's pink, which I love. It's also like glued in there. So soft. I don't want to like wear it now because I'm totally gonna get makeup all over it, but oh my god, it is so, like, that is such nice quality. Oh my god. Okay, so I definitely am gonna be wearing this tonight. It's just so stinking cute. I love that. Oh my god. And like that presentation. This box is definitely good, like, if you're interested in feeling luxurious or glamorous or just like wealthy. It's really good for that. This is the last product in the box. It comes in a little pink pouch. There's a picture of a Dreamcatcher. I love Dreamcatchers. And it is a Dreamcatcher. Okay. So this says compliments of Sunday Riley in partnership with Dreamcatcher.com. So Dreamcatchers, if you don't know, it is a legend. You hang them by the window or at the head of your bed. The bad dreams get caught in the web, and the good dreams go through the hole in the center, rest on the feather like a dewdrop, and evaporate to the great spirit in the morning sun. The prayer beads on the Dreamcatcher trap all bad dreams that are left on the web, and the prayer beads then burn them up. So it's got like it does have a lot of history behind it. It does have a lot of legend behind it. I love Dreamcatchers though. I normally always have one. And they're so beautiful. Like, they're such a nice decor piece, and like they are super important to like Native American history and everything too, but they're just so gorgeous. And this one is absolutely stunning. I love it. So I'm definitely gonna hang this up. This also comes with like a little certificate of authenticity tag, guaranteed Native American original design and craftsmanship, May Stone, Navajo census, number 27285, which is really nice to me. Like, I like that because it feels like it's much better than just like a cheap knockoff one. So I like that so much. All right, let's take a quick look at the pricing here. I feel like there weren't like a whole lot of items in this, but I could be wrong. So this is the Sleep Edition. So the first product is the Sunday Riley Luna Sleep and Night Oil. This retails for $55. Honestly, I was kind of expecting it to be a little bit more than that, so I'm not super horrified at that price because, like I said, Sunday Riley is expensive. Blue Tansy. It's retinol and blue tansy. That's what I was smelling. Blue tansy has just an odd scent, you guys. Okay, the Slumber Party Deep Pillow Spray Mist. This retails for $18. I'm going to be completely honest with you. I was not expecting that. The other one that I have, the This Works one, retails for like $29. I don't know how many ounces are in it, but I feel like it's about the same size. This is 1.7 fluid ounce, so I'm going to have to double check that. But if this is cheaper, this is 100% going to be what I repurchase from now on because that's amazing. Okay, these little ritual must-haves. This was the mini Good Jeans and the mini autocorrect. This says that the Good Jeans, is that the same size? 5 ml. Yeah, so this size of Good Jeans retails for $15. And this size of autocorrect retails for $13. That's insane to me, but that's what you get with Sunday Riley. Yeah, I would never pay that. I would just pay the $55 for the full size because if you're going to spend a lot of money, why not? The Sunday Riley Sleep Edition. This is the second print edition of the Sunday Edit. So the first one was the travel one, and then this is the second one. This they do have marked down as a $15 value, which... like, okay, there, like I said in the beginning, there's a lot of good information here. It is really cute. I probably wouldn't personally pay $15 for this, but I definitely think that there could be a market for that, especially like huge Sunday Riley fans. So, the Luna weighted blanket. This is a 5-pound weighted blanket, and this retails for $67.99. There is a promo code for lunablanket.com. I will leave the promo code down below. It gives you $10 off of the Luna blanket at lunablanket.com. So I will leave that link down below if you're interested in that. The Sakajuan, the overnight hair repair. This retails for $50. Yeah, I just double checked. It's $50. That's crazy to me. You know what I mean? Like, that's crazy. I'm definitely going to use it. I'm really excited to use it, but unless it like completely transforms my damaged hair, I'm not going to repurchase it for 50 bucks. But this is a really nice brand. I do like that brand. The Slip Sleep Mask, this super, super soft and pretty pink sleep mask. This also retails for $50. So the value of this box is definitely there, I will say. Like, I don't know if I'm misremembering and they're like, this is always the same amount of items that they have, but the value is definitely there regardless. So 50 bucks for this little thing. I'm kind of concerned about using it now because my kids like to steal them. And then the Dreamcatcher, this particular Dreamcatcher retails for $21.99. Like I said, I will be linking all these products down below, so if you're interested in any of them, you can click on the links and get them yourself. But this retails for $21.99, which I feel like is kind of pricey. However, this one is like actually like handmade and crafted by Native Americans. So I feel like that's actually not like a super bad price because you're getting a lot of like the actual history and everything in with this. Instead of just going to like Target and buying one. So I definitely do like that concept, and I would agree with that price point. Okay, so that was the Sunday Riley box. I love this box, seriously. I will link my old Sunday Riley boxes down below. I'm pretty sure I've done like 2 or 3 unboxings so far, but I'll link what I can find down below. Overall though, I've always been super happy with the boxes. Like even the travel one, we don't travel very often. We're actually traveling upcoming here in a little bit, but even that one, they were still items that like I could use, and I just such good boxes. I freaking love them. So I will leave the links and everything down below if you're interested in signing up for one. I definitely do like them, but I obviously like to look at other reviews to make sure that it is something that you'd be interested in before signing up, because it is a super pricey box. But if you love Sunday Riley, it's really not a bad deal. That is my review though. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did like it, and also make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss anything I post in the future, because Sunday Riley will be making its way back around in the next 2 to 3 months. Whenever they decide to ship out the next one. But thank you guys so much for joining me today. I will catch you next time. Bye!